The LG NeON 2 series solar panels have become a favorite option for commercial solar installations, thanks to their perfect blend of outstanding efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and extensive availability. Produced by the South Korean electronics powerhouse, LG, this monocrystalline solar panel series showcases cutting-edge technology, remarkable power output, and an all-encompassing warranty, offering commercial solar customers confidence in their investment. Efficiency. Efficiency is a paramount consideration when selecting a solar panel for a commercial project. The greater the efficiency, the more power a solar panel generates per unit area. This results in a reduced installation footprint, potentially decreased installation expenses, and ultimately, increased energy production throughout the system's lifespan. The LG NeON 2 series is renowned for its exceptional efficiency, with some models achieving up to 20.6% efficiency. This high efficiency can be attributed to various factors, including LG's groundbreaking Cello technology. Affordability. Affordability is another important aspect to consider when selecting solar panels for commercial projects. Lower costs for solar panels can lead to faster returns on investment and greater overall project savings. While the LG NeON 2 series may not be the least expensive option on the market, its high efficiency, durability, and comprehensive warranty make it a cost-effective choice for many commercial customers. The initial investment for LG NeON 2 solar panels may be slightly higher than for some other solar panels, however, the long-term benefits often outweigh these initial costs. High-efficiency panels like the LG NeON 2 series can produce more energy per square meter, reducing the number of panels needed and, in turn, decreasing installation and maintenance costs. Moreover, the NeON 2 series is known for its durability and long lifespan, which means lower replacement costs and fewer system disruptions over time. Availability. The widespread availability of LG NeON 2 solar panels is another factor contributing to their popularity in the commercial solar market. As a global electronics company, LG has a strong distribution network and presence in many countries. This makes it relatively easy to source LG NeON 2 solar panels for commercial projects around the world. The availability of LG NeON 2 solar panels is further supported by the company's commitment to renewable energy and sustainability. LG has invested heavily in research and development, continuously improving its solar panel technology and expanding production capabilities. This commitment to innovation ensures that LG NeON 2 solar panels remain a competitive option for commercial solar customers worldwide. Warranty and reliability. A robust warranty is vital when investing in a commercial solar installation. LG provides a 25-year performance and product warranty for its NeON 2 series, which ranks among the best in the industry. This warranty encompasses both performance degradation and defects in materials or workmanship, ensuring customers receive a dependable, high-performing solar system throughout its lifetime. The NeON 2 series is engineered to endure harsh weather conditions and has been subjected to rigorous testing to verify its durability and reliability. These solar panels have undergone testing against wind, snow, hail, and other environmental factors, ensuring they can withstand the elements and continue generating power efficiently. In essence, the LG NeON 2 series emerges as a formidable competitor in the commercial solar panel market, attributed to its high efficiency, cost-effectiveness, extensive availability, and comprehensive warranty. The advanced technology employed in these solar panels, including LG's Cello technology and enhanced cell design, aids in maximizing energy production and guarantees lasting performance. While the initial investment for LG NeON 2 solar panels might be higher than some alternatives, the long-term advantages often surpass these initial expenses, making them a cost-effective choice for numerous commercial clients. The wide availability of LG NeON 2 solar panels enables commercial customers across the globe to obtain these high-quality panels with relative ease. LG's robust distribution network and dedication to renewable energy research and development ensure that the NeON 2 series remains a competitive choice in the commercial solar market. Lastly, the comprehensive 25-year performance and product warranty provided by LG offers reassurance for commercial clients, safeguarding their investment in solar technology. The NeON 2 series durability and reliability, combined with this extensive warranty coverage, make it a sought-after option for commercial solar installations. In conclusion, the LG NeON 2 series of solar panels presents an exceptional choice for commercial solar projects, owing to its amalgamation of high efficiency, cost-effectiveness, widespread availability, and robust warranty coverage. Commercial customers seeking a trustworthy, high-performing solar panel solution may consider the LG NeON 2 series as a prime candidate. As with any solar investment, it is crucial to conduct thorough research and consult with a solar professional to identify the best solar panel solution tailored to your specific project requirements and objectives. To learn more about LG solar panels, please click the following link. Thank you for watching.